Well, we took about a month off, all of January, a little tight, second week of February, and ready to get moving back in this greenhouse. Unfortunately, during the time that we took off, this has become a bit of a storage unit. These boxes behind me are from a CNC machine that my son and daughter-in-law purchased. They got set up in our garage. So anyway, we need to clear out the greenhouse now. We've picked up our 16-foot 2x4s, and those will be the frame for all the benching. We picked up from my husband's work these pallets. They are brand new looking pallets. And so I'll be taking those apart, and I will use the tops for the top of my bench. I will use this stain, aged walnut. Should be really pretty. The frame will be black. It'd be nice to have a little bit of a contrast. On this side of the wall, the garage side, we are just gonna go straight across one big long shelf, and it will be a semi-floating shelf. We'll put braces that come down into these posts. And the window side will be 20-inch deep because it's a little bit skinnier in this corner by the front door, but it'll go all the way across. And then we'll have another one coming this way up to this window right here. So an L shaped. These benches came together pretty nicely. We got the frame portion done, and they're all painted black. And as you can see behind me, I've just got the boards that we cut off the pallets just kind of resting on top of it for now. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Next week, I will stain all these boards and secure them down, probably just with a brad nailer. But for now, let me show you what I've got.